Toyota Prius C is required to get its first full upgrade in 2018. Be that as it may, as of now it's hazy whether the somewhat little crossbreed will make a big appearance as a 2018 or 2019 model. While the jury is still out on precisely what the overhauled Prius C may appear as though, we do speculate it'll acquire signals from the standard Prius. Like the present model, the Prius C will probably stay entirely essential, particularly in its standard setup. Anticipate that the standard highlights will stay especially like non-mixture subcompacts, similar to steel wheels, a 4-speaker sound framework, fabric seats, and that's just the beginning. The 2019 Toyota Prius C does not yet have an official discharge date. Be that as it may, in light of its ordinary timetable, we right now expect an on-special date at some point in the fall of 2018. Official evaluating won't be accessible for quite a while, however we expect no less than a little increment from the present scope of $20,425 to $25,360, goal expenses included. In this range, the Prius C goes up against the base Ford C-Max Hybrid, beginning from $25,045, and the Honda CR-Z $21,130 to $25,275.